Keeping your TP-Link Deco M5's firmware up to date is one of the best things you can do for your home network. Updates bring new features, critical security patches, and performance improvements. In this video, we'll show you how to check for and install the latest firmware on your Deco Mesh system in just a few taps. Let's get started. Before we start, let's make sure the update goes smoothly. First, ensure all your Deco units are powered on and connected to the Mesh network. You'll see a solid green light on each of them. Make sure your phone is connected to your Deco's Wi-Fi. You can't manage the system from an outside network. Open Deco app and go to More option from right side bottom corner. Then go to System and under System, tap Update Deco. The app will now automatically check online to see if TP-Link has released a newer firmware version for your Deco M5 units. Perfect. A new firmware is available. Press Download button to start firmware download, and after download, press Install button. A crucial warning: do not unplug or power off any Deco unit during the update process. The app will show you a progress bar. Just leave the app open and let it do its thing. This can take several minutes. Once the update is complete, you'll see a success message in the app. All your Deco units will reboot and reconnect to each other, eventually settling back to their peaceful, solid green light. That's it. You've successfully updated your TP-Link Deco M5 firmware, ensuring your home network is secure and running at its best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.